Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm just going to do a quick little makeup here for you. Started with some primer and then some concealer. I wish I actually moved this fast. Then going in with a little bronzer. I'm trying to keep it pretty chill today. I'm not trying to put on too much makeup. Just a little with a little bit of time to try and get through the day. Show people that I still care. This is the NYX palette from that show that was really good on Netflix at one time. Trying to make it a little bit more grungy and warm, a warm grungy look. Just going around the eyes. Talking to my child. This is the Avatar palette from NYX Cosmetics. I love it in the color Taurik. Just adding some warmth to my eyes. I'm going to use a little glitter. The glitter on the lids. This palette is stacked full of glitter, so it's very easy to find a shiny shade. Now I'm using the Lash Lift and Snatch Tattoo Pen Eyeliner type dealie. And this is my favorite for my eyelashes, especially with my favorite term coined the disrupted brow. We're not going for a notch brow. We're going for a disrupted brow now at this point. Not notched, it's okay. This is the Epic Ink Liner from NYX Cosmetics, another one of my favorites. And this time I'm trying a downward wing, which is very, very different for me. So I'm just kind of sensing out how it looks here. And I really, really ended up liking it. It brought a different shape to my face that I hadn't seen before, and I really enjoyed that. And this eyeliner is the best. It stays on all day. Yeah, that's not really a safe practice, but I do it anyway. It curls my lashes a little bit more. And with a downward wing, I kind of wanted them to stick out. This mascara is really good everyday mascara. You're not going to get too much craziness, but you're going to get enough that you're going to see it. Oh boy. I always like to get the bottom lashes here. It adds a little grungy look. Now lashes. I'm using the NYX Jumbo Lashes here. I find them very lightweight. Invisible band with duo glue, as you duo. And I'm finding that it's really easy to put them on with just my fingernails. Now we're going to use Uno Mas, and that is the blush with the Casa de Papel palette from NYX Cosmetics. And then we're going to do a little bit of freckles, nothing crazy with the, I use the Lift and Snatch pen from NYX Cosmetics, and I just dot a little bit everywhere. Some matte finishing spray, lip liner. And yes, they're very overlined lips, but that's how we like it here at Empress Beauty. You don't need to do this to your lips. I like it. Evening it out that shape there. Adding some NYX Lip Lingerie Triple XL. I have two in this color. Such a good lip. Don't let me forget to brush my teeth before I leave the house. Oh, yeah, gotta blot those lips. And a little glitter just to set the mood, you know? And that's it. Hope you guys have a good